Transform your local grocery store into a thriving online business with this step-by-step WordPress tutorial. First, we need to get our foundation ready. This involves setting up your WordPress website if you haven't already, and then installing the essential e-commerce plugin. WooCommerce. Simply navigate to Plugins, Add New, search for WooCommerce, install, and activate. This powerful plugin will be the backbone of our online store. Once WooCommerce is active, you'll be guided through its setup wizard. Here, you'll enter your store's basic information, like your address and currency. Don't worry about getting everything perfect at this stage, as you can always tweak these settings later. Now let's add some products. Navigate to Products, Add New. You'll fill in the product name, a detailed description, and importantly, set the price for grocery items. It's crucial to add high-quality images, a circumflex euros. Think vibrant, appetizing photos that showcase the freshness of your produce. For items with variations, like different sizes of apples or types of cheese, you'll use the variable product option. This allows customers to choose their preferred option also. Don't forget to manage your inventory to avoid selling out off-stock items. To get paid, we need to configure payment gateways. Go to WooCommerce, Settings, Payments. WooCommerce integrates with popular options like Stripe and PayPal, making it easy for your customers to pay securely using their preferred method. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your accounts. Finally, let's talk about managing orders. You'll receive notifications directly within your WordPress dashboard. When a new order comes in, navigate to WooCommerce, Orders, to view all incoming orders. Check customer details, update order statuses, and mark them as complete once they've been picked and delivered.